Hello, bass players. We have this great big instrument in front of us and we need to figure out how to unpack to be able to play. So the first thing we need to do is find those zippers on the bottom and then making sure that your case is oriented so that the big long zipper is on the top is going to make this the easiest way to unpack. So if you notice on the bottom you have two zippers that meet at the end pin. This part right here is called our end pin. And so we want to unzip as far as we can go on that bottom zipper. That bottom zipper is only a little half zipper, but makes it easy to get the instrument in and out. And then we have a top zipper that will go all the way to the top. Now, as I'm unzipping, I'm realizing there's two things we forgot to unpack first. We have on the front of our case two different pouches, a little pouch right here, and then a long skinny pouch on the bottom. And in this little skinny pouch, we should find our end pin stopper. And now the end pin stopper is really good to use when you have a smooth floor because we will have to make that bass go in a position that's kind of a little bit angled, so we want to make sure our bass doesn't slide out from under us. So we'll get out that end pin stopper, and then we also need to get out our bow, which is in a little Velcro pocket below. So we'll carefully pull out that bow, and even though we're not going to use our bow right away, we're going to get that out of the case so that it's a little easier to unpack. So I'm going to put the bow carefully on the floor right there, so that I can continue to unzip this big long zipper on the top. Now, to unpack our bass, we're going to have to peel off the case. So we'll peel off the front, we'll peel off the back, and now this becomes a little bit of a challenge to get this guy out. So I'm going to grab onto the neck, I'm going to grab onto the side of the bass, and I'm going to pick it up just a bit and try and slide it out. And sometimes it gets stuck. It sometimes gets stuck on the pegs up on top. So I'll pull it out once, I'll grab it again, I'll try and slide it out, and there, we've cleared that case. And the bass is officially out. I'm going to, keeping my hand on the bass, close this case up and pull it off to the side so we are ready to start our lesson.